We have sound. Getting louder. Oh. Channel 10. Nothing. Oh. Am I lucky doing the Variac thing or what? See the phosphor defect. Yeah. Inline gun. Here it is. Wow. It's kind of a lavender color. You have jail bars, which is fine. You hear that weird alien transmission sound. This is freaking awesome. Full raster. More sound. Snow. It's getting through. We have snow. This is awesome. We have glowage. Nice. So yeah, replacing that capacitor right there, it's a 0.1 microfarad. I only found out too late with 1 microfarad. It's not too bad. Oh. Dixiana. Nice. Pretty cool.
I really look at American Hartford Gun in the category of a friend. Somebody that I can trust. And somebody...
Oh, let's turn the brightness down. Jeez.
Whether you've never owned precious metals or you're an experienced buyer...
Oh my God, there it is.
When court resumed this morning, the defense continued their cross-examination of
Not
the
sure what the
former
ghosting
deputy
is.
chief
It's kind of
who
weird.
reported the allegations against Sheriff Adam King and says that he lost his job because of it. On day one of this trial, James Salter, who worked 9 years under Sheriff King as deputy chief.
See, sometimes it's too bright when the brightness is set fine. Like on the other channel, it was fine. Gotta keep fidgeting with it. Pretty bright though. The speaker sounds nice. I like how it sounds. Finally, I found the right TV to watch this music video on in good quality. Sure, it looks brighter on camera, but in person, besides all the noise, it's fine.